Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm DJ Luka as always and thank you for coming to this video here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the deck effect, EQ or equalizer, and deck color effect to make clean transition in virtual, and I hope you will watch this video through so that you do not miss out of anything. And of course if you are watching for your first time, or you have been watching my video and you did not subscribe, please make sure you do that to get most of my content. And if you have been my subscriber for a long time, I want to say hi to you and I thank you for that. Alright, the first style that we are going to use here is deck effect. The most commonly used by the most DJs is the filter, or the filter HP. What does it really do? Here you have song playing on deck A. You want to introduce the song on deck B. You will apply filter HP on deck A, and then you select deck B so you will be able to introduce song on deck B while other is playing with the effect filter HP is on. Later on you will come back here on deck A and apply another effect. Maybe you introduce loop out or an echo to take the song out. And then you will be able to introduce another song on deck A again. Therefore, go to setting up here, and click on mapping. In the key text box type any key that you want to use. For my case I'm using up key. And then in the action text box, type effect filter HP active. Save and close the windows. Go back and try if it will work. Did you hear that? It sounds very nice? Let me hope yours work too. You do the same thing on the other deck as well. The next style I want to talk about is EQS. I'm using high, mid, and low for now. And of course there are two ways I can do here. The first one, I can apply the EQ. So what I do really here is when a song is playing on deck A, I'm going to start a song on deck B. I simply select deck B and start the song. So I will select deck A and I start turning the EQ for deck A down slowly to leave the space for the deck B to play the song clearly. So I will take out the song on deck A and introduce another one. Next thing is you have the song playing on deck A. The trick is you should have the EQS all at 50% and turn down everything for deck B just like this. So I have this mapping here which slowly bring up the EQS for deck B and bring down the EQS for deck A. Go to setting and select any key that you will use, and in the action type deck 1 EQ high -1, and deck 1 EQ mid -1, and deck 1 EQ low -1, and deck 2 EQ high +1, and deck 2 EQ mid +1, and deck 2 EQ low +1, which will bring down EQS for deck A and bring up EQS for deck B. Save, go back and try. EQS, that's how it works. It is the same button here and these are mapping here, so it's turn down EQS for deck A by -1 and then increases the EQS for deck B by +1. So, you watch that when deck B EQS reach at 50%, you stop there, then deck B will play clearly, so by that time you have already gotten the read of deck A and you will be able to introduce another song there. So, I'm going to mapping once again. This one I said it was a trick and I need an assistant to reset the EQS for both decks when I have another song on deck A. Also I have this mapping. The next style here is the deck color effect. The most commonly used one is noise. You have to come down here and activate it. It will look green. So, I have the button which is going to turn this to around 80% at the same time. Also, I want to apply the filter HP on deck A, which I currently playing deck A along with this color effect as a pressed, then this noise will be playing, but there the trick is if deck A playing, I'm going to select deck B, so there is a button which is going to apply filter HP and the noise on deck B, but then deck B is my active deck. So, this is simply the mapping. So, go to setting and select any key, then down here type deck A filter 80% while pressed and effect filter HP active while pressed. Press this button simultaneously, and then if I'm ready I play song on deck B, and then I will also have another button, the same button for playing in deck B. We'll go back to deck A, and then select this filter activated it so that I have the effect activated but the noise will not be playing. The noise will be off but this one will be active to give me space to get out of the song and the other song continue playing clearly. So, this is the button, so I'm using I will play and select an effect filter HP active. Save and go back and try. Thank you for watching my video, and if this video was helpful to you, please like and share my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this one. Thank you. See you in the next videos.